Hi! The first and a bit easy way to start online earning is affiliate marketing. Now, what affiliate marketing is? Affiliate marketing is a type of marketing where you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. Initially, if you're finding these words a bit difficult to understand, please don't worry, it's really an easy job. How you can start earning through affiliate marketing. Here we go. Step 1. Choose a niche or industry. Decide on a specific niche or industry that you are interested in promoting. This can be anything from health and wellness to technology products. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Search for affiliate programs in your chosen niche. Many companies have affiliate programs, including Amazon, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. You can also search for niche-specific affiliate programs by doing a quick Google search. Step 3. Sign up for affiliate programs. Once you have found affiliate programs that you are interested in promoting, sign up for them. Most affiliate programs are free to join. Step 4. Promote your affiliate links. Once you are approved as an affiliate, you will receive a unique referral link. Promote your referral link on your blog, website, or social media channels. You can also create content such as reviews, comparison articles, and tutorials to help promote the products or services. And Step 5. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission on the sale. Commissions vary depending on the affiliate program and the product or service being promoted. I hope you will learn and earn through affiliate marketing. Best of luck, thank you.